Hello, today I want to review my free sample by the brand Laikore, and it's a blender for soy milk, nut milk, or oat milk. So let me show it to you. I love the color, the green apple color. And okay, so I want to start by saying that this one inside will clean itself. Once you're ready to use it, you just turn it on, put clean, and it will clean itself. Also, one thing that I want to mention is that the blades inside are very sharp. So be careful with that. And when you want to add water, don't pass this line. You have to make sure you stay within the line. Also, it has a very easy to read manual, and this is what you want to do. You want to read this before using it and make sure you don't put it submerge it in water. It will clean itself. What you can clean outside that is in the regular sink will be this, the top. And it also comes with a cleaning brush, a measuring cup, and obviously the plug. So here it will give you the recipe and the amounts of fruit, nuts, oats that you can add. So it will give you all the instructions. Don't add more. You can probably add a little bit less and make sure you don't put a lot of water above the max level. Other than that, this is very simple to use. This is super helpful to have, and this is great to have it in the kitchen and just do the milk yourself. I hope you enjoyed my review. Just stick to the instructions, take care of your machine, and thank you for watching.